Hey you guys, welcome back. So you see what I am holding. I have my Boxycharm box and I'm ready to get this open. I am super excited by my box that is coming for next month, which is December. I don't know how many of you, or if you were even aware, I don't know if they're still doing it, but they had this new box that you can add. It was kind of like an upgrade, but it's called Boxyluxe. And so it's supposed to be more items in the box. They emailed me and asked me to pick one of the items that I wanted. So I chose an item that'll be in my December box. The box was a little more expensive, but it's just the one time that they do it. I think they're doing the Boxyluxe like every 3 months or something. I'm not too sure. I'll link whatever information I know down in the description box. But I just know that my December box, I had to think about what month I'm in. I just know my December box is gonna be bigger. It's the luxe version of the regular Boxycharm, and Boxycharm is already really good. So let's just get this open and see what this month's theme is. I'm super excited to find out. So the first thing you see when you open it up is you have your little pamphlet on top, and that's gonna tell you what this month's theme is, as well as what products you got in your box, which I normally don't open because I like to be surprised. But I will go back and tell you guys the price and tell you a little bit about the product after I show you what's in the box. So this month is Gold Digger, and I'm loving that because my favorite color is gold. And then if you fold that down, you'll see what's in the box and tells you more about it, but I'm gonna put that away for now. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna pull out is, what is this? Let me set the box down. It is by Jonet Blue, I believe. It says JONTEBLU. I've never had any of their products. It says Glittering Star Eyeliner, and it is in the color black. And it looks like that. Really cute packaging. It's black and the tip of it is gold, and it has gold little lips on the front and everything. So it's sealed shut. I'm not gonna open it. It's just a regular black eyeliner, and it says long lasting intense. I love black eyeliners, so I can't wait to give this a try and see if I'm gonna like it. So I'm gonna set that to the side. Oh my goodness, do my eyes spot some gold brushes? Oh my goodness. Oh, and they are by Luxie. I love Luxie brand products. Oh my goodness, it says premium synthetic handcrafted brushes. Oh, I gotta get this open. Let me get this open. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Oh gosh, they look like this. Look at the gold sparkles on there, and then the top is gold as well, and the brushes look really soft. Oh, these are so cute. So they say on it, it says Luxie 101. This one says mini angled, and it tells you what they are. Mini tapered, mini flat angled, and mini round. So these are so cute, and they're mini brushes, and that's what the tops look like. Really cute. I am loving these. Look at me just staring at them. Let me put them away so we can move on to the next product. But so far, the brushes and the eyeliner, I am very happy about. Okay, so the next thing that I'm pulling out is some Lashaholic luxury lashes, and the packaging is cute, and around here it has like gold sprinkles or like glitter or whatever. That's super cute. And then it says ready, set, get addicted, and you got a set of eyelashes in here. And I remember a long time ago, was it Boxycharm? I think it was Boxycharm that sent me a set of lashes, and they were really nice. I think it was Boxycharm. I know it was one of these boxes, but I think it was Boxycharm. And I love those eyelashes. I don't wear them often, but I love them, and I cannot wait to try these out. So, okay, so there's 2 more items in here, and I'm just gonna pick this up right here. And this is the Cover FX Glitter Drops. was it 2 months ago, I got the Cover FX eyeshadow in purple from Boxycharm, and I love it. I love it. Oh my goodness. Look at this. The glitter drops. Ooh. So it looks like that. These are so gold. Here is the dropper that you get with it. Oh my gosh. These are, that is so gold. Oh my gosh. Okay, it says shake well before use, and the color is Nova. I remember seeing this online. I think it was at Sephora, I believe, and I thought they were pretty, but I just didn't purchase them. It says these weightless drops of ultrafine glitter can be used anywhere you want. Clinically tested. Okay, and it tells you how to deal with it, but I'm gonna read the pamphlet in just a second to tell you more about that one. Okay, so the last thing taken out is by Ace Beauty, and I've never heard of this company. The packaging on that is beautiful, the black with the gold, very, very nice. And like I always say, they always send some kind of a palette, which is another reason why I absolutely love Boxycharm, because you always get some kind of palette. So let me take the plastic off because it'll blind you. This is what the inside looks like, and these are the colors. So that is a really, really pretty, nice range of colors right there. So I am interested in seeing what all of this costs and to tell you a little bit more about it. Okay, so for the Cover FX glitter drops, these retail for $44, and it says can be used alone, under or over makeup, or mixed into your foundation or moisturizer for an incredibly luxe glitter effect on the face and the body. So you can mix this with your lotion if you want. Put a drop in your lotion and have your legs all gold and glittery. So that's pretty cool. And that, like I said, that retail for $44. Keep in mind this box is only $21 a month. So that was $44. The eyeshadow, it says featuring 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold mattes. Your new palette has all you need to create unlimited eye looks. The eyeshadows were carefully milled and pressed to deliver intense pigmentation and easy blending, and this retails for $24.99. Next up, we have these beautiful brushes. I'm not gonna read all, it's a lot that they wrote for the brushes. I'm not gonna read all of that, but these retailed for $21, and oh my goodness, these are just so pretty. They're so pretty. So $21 for these. This was the cost of the box right here, and then you got everything else, so that's a good deal. Next, the Jante Blue glittering star eyeliner retails for $5. It says it's formulated black glitter eyeliner pencil glides on smoothly, leaving behind a long-lasting and subtle shimmer you'll completely adore. What I will say, now that I know that it has glitter in it, is that this is one of the ones that I will only use on my top lid. I've noticed, and when I've tried to use eyeliner with glitter in it, if I put it on my waterline, it'll tear my eyes up. So this will be on my top lid only, but this retailed for $5. And last but not least, you got lash, but not least, or should I say last? I was trying to be funny. Lash, but not least. Anyways, this is the eyelashes, and they retail for $14.99. What they say is these 100% vegan falsies made from premium silk fibers gives your lashes dimension, natural looking length and volume. So they are vegan and they're premium silk fibers. So that is $14.99. And that is it for my Boxycharm. I'm always happy with Boxycharm boxes. They always send really, really nice products. So like I said, I cannot wait for my box for next month. So check it out. If you get Boxycharm and you didn't hear about the Boxy Luxe, I don't think it's too late to sign up for it. I'm not too sure. I did do it like last month, so a whole month in advance to secure my box for December. So check into that. It'll probably be super cool, but yeah, I don't know, I can't guarantee anything. So thank you guys all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.